Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you where the hydraulic tensioner, timing chain tensioner is located on Kia and Hyundai. Okay. So if you have a Kia Hyundai with a 1.8 or 2.0 engine, guys, and sooner or later you might have some engine rattle on cold starts when the car sat for a while. This could be because of a bad timing chain tensioner. Okay, that timing chain tensioner, it's spring loaded, but in addition to that, it's connected to the oil supply of the engine, and the oil pressure keeps the timing chain, okay, the timing chain pressure all the time. That way you will not have any slack on the timing chain. If you have slack, it can skip, you can bend valves, need new engine pretty much. So how we got to the tensioner here? We had to remove that valve cover, okay, I mean timing cover right here, the side timing cover. The whole video will be on how to repair, guys, so please check it out if you need to. It's a very long video, but it's very detailed as well. Now we'll show you what's inside that tensioner as well, and how to remove it usually. When you remove it, your timing will jump. Okay, you want it or not, your timing is going to jump no matter what. Okay, one way to do that is you can stop it, okay, by holding it, okay, right here, but it's still going to jump when you remove it. So we'll remove the two bolts now, and it's spring loaded so it can shoot a little bit, moves. Okay, you can see right there now. Yeah, okay, you can see our timing just jumped. So we need to set the timing when we install new tensioner. That will be in the next video. We'll have a video about the timing marks. Okay, right there. This is now the hydraulic tensioner. Okay, that canal here should be super clean because oil goes from here. The pressure kicks the tensioner out and it keeps the tensioner, okay, the tensioner spread out so you won't have any slack on the chain. Okay, you can see like that. That's the spring loaded part, but the oil is supposed to keep it more after that, past that point. So that will be, guys, the video for the tensioner, where it's located, how to remove it. If you want to see the whole video, it's on how to repair, guys, as I said. So timing marks will be the next video. That is for the 1.8 and the 2.0 NU engine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.